National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in central Arkansas, southwestern Conway County in central Arkansas, northwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas, central Yell County in central Arkansas, northeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, south central Pope, P-O-P-E.
The heck?
Central Arkansas until 1:15 p.m. At 12:45
What's
p.m.
going on,
a
Little Rocker?
thunderstorm was located 9
The
miles
heck?
southeast of Fish Valley, or 13 miles south of Danville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perryville, Pottsville, Ola, Adona, Carden Bottoms, Patty Jean State Park, Plainview in Yell County, Patty Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Gala Creek Wildlife Management Area, Kesa, Applin, Bertha, Antioch in Perry County, Ada, Nimrod, Holla Bend, Kingston, Rover, Sunlight Bay Park, Cherry Hill in Perry County,